How to deploy Vicidial within 15 minutes via Visifast. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to install Vicidial within 15 minutes. Vicidial is a powerful tool that makes communicating with your customers easy and fast. What is Vicidial? Vicidial is an open-source call center software application that is used to manage inbound and outbound calls. It is a popular choice for call centers because it is very user-friendly and does not need user licensing. And you do not need to spend too much on call center applications as of now in a market that many applications have per seat licensing, and it's too costly. Vicidial can be deployed within minutes via Visifast, which is a Vicidial installation service. Visifast will install Vicidial on your server and configure it for you. All you need to do is provide your server information and Visifast will take care of the rest. Once Vicidial is installed, you will be able to start making and receiving calls immediately. You can also use Vicidial to track caller data, such as call duration and caller ID. This information can be used to help improve your call center's performance. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to deploy Vicidial, then Visifast is the perfect solution for you. What is Visifast? Visifast is the fastest, accurate, and fully automated Vicidial installer. Using Visifast, you can remotely deploy Vicidial. Visifast supports Ubuntu 18.4. Alma 8.5, and Rocky 8 Linux. Visifast has fixed most of the bugs from Vicidial, making it more secure and functional. It provides a convenience to users like you who don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to have someone install Vicidial on your server. Visifast automates Vicidial deployments on any remote server without a single command from the user side. Visifast uses sophisticated Python codes to take care of everything automatically. Visifast configures agents, web phones, soft phones, campaigns, DIDs, agent groups, filter phone groups, and also sends out an email with all the information to you, saving you countless hours of work. Dynamic firewall is fully configured. An SSL from Let's Encrypt installed by default, so it is already secure out of the box. How to deploy Vicidial with Visifast? Vicidial is a powerful open-source call center software that can be deployed quickly and easily with Visifast. Visifast is a Vicidial installation script that automates the entire installation process. This means that you can have Vicidial up and running in minutes, without having to go through the stuffy process of manual installation. Let's start installation. First, you need a Linux server, so I have already installed Ubuntu 18.4 here. Normally, when you install the Ubuntu server there is a root account is not accessible on SSH. Let's enable SSH for root account. I am using Windows, so I am using PuTTY to access my Linux server. Open terminal, login as user, which is created when installed Linux OS. In my case, I have created Vicidial user Ubuntu installation time. Type username and password. Type sudo -i and press the enter button. Put the password and press the enter button. Now we have to edit SSH config file. Let's open config file using file location. I am make changes to the file using the nano editor. Sudo nano etc/ssh/ssh deconfig and change the configuration in the SSH config file. Find the line permit root login and remove hash form the line. Also add yes the next permit root login. Now exit the file by pressing Ctrl+X. Using this command, sudo systemctl restart sshd. Now set up root password using command sudo password root, press the enter button. It will ask to set password. After update root password, reboot the server. Now we have to check server SSH accessible from outside. Go on the browser and type URL https://portchecker.co/check. In your IP address box put Vicidial server IP and select port number 22. Next click on check button. If it is show port 22 is open, then we good to go next steps. Otherwise you have to check your firewall settings. If you don't know your public IP address of the server, type the following command in the server terminal, curl ifconfig.me. You should see your IP address on screen. This is the fastest way to find out your public IP address. Now our server is ready to install Vicidial using Visifast. I have mentioned installation URL of Visifast in the video description box. Click on the button Deploy Vicidial with Visifast. Now this link opens the order form. Just fill up this simple form. In the server IP box, put your IP address. It is your server's public IP address. In the next box you have to put your root password. After successfully install Visifast, you have to change your root password. Below you can see there is available extra add-ons so you can get the support from Visifast if you want. If you want your custom branding, that will be available. If you want custom domain integration with Vicidial, it will be charged $49. But I have some trick. You can change the ViciFast domain name with your custom domain name for free. In next video I will be show you how can you change your custom domain name. Now click continue. Now click checkout. Now here it will be asked to you. Fill up the form, or if you have already created an account, you can click I have already registered. In my case I haven't created any account, so I'm going to fill up this form. When creating an account, make sure to put the valid email address, because you will receive all of the details related to your installation notifications on your email. After filling up the form, click on Complete Order. Now you can see there is a successfully order place and you get the deployment ID number. Now wait 15 to 20 minutes. If you are using Ubuntu, it will be complete within 15 minutes. If you are using other Linux like Alma Linux or Rocky, so it will take approx 30 minutes to installation. Now backend installation started. I received email notification installation started. I am waiting for installation complete email. Now the installation is complete. I received an email with login details, admin and agent. You will be able to access the Vicidial web interface by going to https://domain name Vicidial 446 in your web browser. If you are accessing Vicidial for the first time, you have to access dynamic portal URLs. It comes with 446 port and it is mentioned on my email. In your case port number same but URL is different. Now ViciFast installation is completed. Now we have successfully logged in using dynamic portal Vicidial. Now we can see here two buttons, one is agent login, one is admin login. Now I am trying to log in on admin portal and using same login details which I received in email. I have successfully logged in Vicidial. We can see there is already users created and phone also configured. We have to just use user credentials to the login. Let's try to log in as agent. I am taking agent login credentials from admin portal. I have successfully logged as agent. We have to allow microphone because we are using web phone. Let's log in the campaign. We have successfully logged in into campaign.